Today we're featuring a 2016 Chevrolet Malibu LTZ. It's got 55,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's champagne silver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Nice chrome insert on the door handles. Driver's side look good. Rear of the vehicle's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this Malibu. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Two-tone door panels. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Does have the tan leather power driver's seat with the darker brown trim. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does have a keyless key fob, keyless entry with the remote start. Passenger seat looks good. It is an automatic. Heated seats, dual climate control, CD player. Alright, it's going to have your touchscreen display there. We'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Right, let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Okay, it's got 55,869 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the touchscreen here. All right, and this is your home screen because it's got phone, AM, FM, XM. Got different pictures. All right, auxiliary, Bluetooth, weather. Go ahead and show you the climate control system and your heated seats again. We've had the air conditioner running now for about 10 minutes, everything blowing nice and cold there. All right, and one thing I wanted to show you here that I missed earlier, just a couple little spots right here. Just a couple little raised areas right here near the transmission on the console near the cup holders. All right, just going to show you those. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather looks good. All right, no problems at all. Lower this down. Got your cup holder with some rear console area there. Carpet in the rear looks good. Same as in the front, two seats. Give you the driver's eye view of the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the trunk. Everything looks good back here. Got your cargo net. The carpet's nice and clean. I'll kind of step to the side so you can see the depth. All right, a ton of storage back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the passenger seat. Passenger front seat. All right, it's in good shape. Just a little bit of a scuff right here in the leather. It's not a rip or a tear. It's just kind of like a scuff in the leather. All right, but other than that, everything's in really good shape. All right. I'm going to take a look at your wheels and tires. Got 18-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. It's a 2016 with 55,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.